You want to stop, you go inside Kenya. Oh, after you happy, they give me money. You happy Kenya.
Keshav! So, we are in the Giza Necropolis and yeah, we are going to Pyramid of Khufu and the pyramid and yeah, there's right behind us, if you can see. It's like not facing towards us, so it's not like very legible, like seeable, visible, but yeah. So we found these persons kind of like giving us the camel ride. So we got like 2 camels, one for me and for my brother, and 150 Egyptian pounds per person, and it's kind of like fun, like walking on the desert in like the desert ship or something. Bye. What is that?
What is this?
What?
That
This building?
Yeah.
This is for the government.
Kesha, you are on camera. Alright, so we are aiming for the panoramic view and we opted for the bigger ride. It's like an hour long and we are go there. If you can see, there are like small camels on the top of the plateau. So yeah, we are going to go there. So right now we have covered 3 pyramids. This is the main pyramid, that's the one, and this is the 3rd one. So the first one is Khufu, this is the Khafre, and this is the pyramid of Makran. So these are the 3 pyramids which we have covered. There are more, let's see. So we covered the 3 main pyramids and then there are 6 small pyramids for queens, and the ruins which we are seeing a bit underground, they are like the worker tomb. These belong to the people who used to work here. So this Giza plateau has 9 pyramids. Keshav bhai using GoPro. Okay, so we were at that panoramic viewpoint. We had taken so many pictures. Now, yeah, now we have all the pyramids. So these are like the queen pyramids. So the queen pyramids are like the smaller one. Misogyny, obviously, but yeah, the queen pyramids are very small, and you see all the 3 big pyramids, they are for the king. So there are small 3 pyramids for queen here, and there are 3 pyramids over there. You won't see it right now, but in the pictures it's kind of like visible. The pyramids which are over there, I kind of like ruined, like they are in ruins, but yeah, you can still make out that okay, they are pyramids. Now we are going closer to that area. Some light shows, like pyramid light shows, happen there. So there is like setup over there for the pyramid light shows. One life pro trick which the camels is, whenever the camel is going down, you lean back so that you don't fall over. And yeah, Keshav takes so many pictures. It's like a professional model at work. See this matching hat, matching t-shirt, sorry, shirt or matching everything. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye camels. Now we are at Pyramid of, क्या नाम है इसका?
Khafre.
We are at Pyramid of Khafre. You can see that on the top. That thing looks pretty solid.
Start going in क्योंकि अब भीड़ आ जाएगी इस पर कुफू पे अपने
But now this one is looking like you know, कुफू को तलना था.
वापस चल के इधर आ जाता है क्योंकि अभी भीड़ आ जाएगी ना 10 वो देखो भीड़ उसको देख के बोला मैंने.
It looked like some sort of statue. सामने स्टैचू दिख रहा है कुछ. पढ़ते हैं चल उसके बारे में. 1 queen pyramid, 2 queen pyramid and 3 queen pyramid. This is the Great Pyramid of Giza. And let's see what we have here. It looks like something deep. What do you think this is?
रास्ते ढूंढने के लिए
It can be an internal road as well. That is Khufu.
ये ऑलरेडी है.
It's there as well. See, यहाँ पे भी वो है.
हाँ इनके आसपास शायद खुदाई की ताकि रास्ता मिल सके.
Maybe, but they did found something. There were some steps down there, right?
खुदाई भी उन्होंने स्कैन स्कूल करके करते हैं.
Maybe it's like an internal way which connects the temple, like the tombs.
ओह नहीं ये बोट है.
Oh, I see.
ये बोट बनाते हैं ये लोग. सन बोट बोलते हैं इसको.
Okay. What does sunboat do?
We'll have to read up this.
Okay, so even that was in the shape of a boat. There is a stairs to go on top of that Queen's Pyramid. This is the Great Pyramid of Khufu. It has like a black color thing. It is kind of like an entrance, and there used to be a wooden door here, and there used to be like there are still hinges of those wooden door. We are still trying to find them. Don't know where it is. Apart from that, as per the inscription over here, it says that we are here. The boat pit, which we already see, like we have seen first. Fourth is it's the innermost sanctum of the temple. It has like red marbles and granites inside. Yeah, this is pretty much it. Let's try and find those columns for the wooden gate. But first, let's find Keshav.
अब आगे जाओ बच्चों.
Keshav? 5.3 hectares, and it has like 3 queen pyramids. 1, 2, 3 queen pyramids. 1 satellite pyramid. We saw a sunboat there. There is a sunboat there, and there is a sunboat over there. So yeah, now we are going to enter the pyramid. This is so lively. This is super weird. Here, madam, look. Look, listen. Like this. Yeah. Stop here. Oh, that is the entry point. We saw it, right? In that Menkaure. क्या नाम है उसका? Menkaure pyramid. There was this black, this square hole, right? Rectangular hole. I feel like it is an entry, but it is covered. It used to be a big entry, right? We are inside the Great Pyramid of Khufu. It's very claustrophobic, just like earlier. I'm just gonna turn on my flash. Right?
Isn't this like a cage? It's a cage.
It is super duper claustrophobic in here. It's like so many people, and the passage is not big. But we have heard that it's gonna be even smaller. So yeah.
यहाँ पे आके लोग खुश हो रहे हैं ऊपर से आ रहे हैं they're relieved कि वो
We can see so many relief faces. Oh, see, there is the narrow passage. Hey, what is that?
नीचे वो था
There is something. We'll look for it when we come down. That's a kid. For your reference, even the kid has to bend down. So probably आंटी जी को अपना बैग आगे रखना चाहिए ना. मैं भी वही सोच रही हूँ. I got a head bump already, and I haven't even. We're just waiting for this to clear up a bit. I'm gonna record everything. Go. You do you. It is not even that hard, right?
I don't have to crack. Sorry. Daddy, I'm just kidding. I don't care. Like Kayla.
Yeah.
Is that
Here, go backward.
So this is why people feel scared.
अबे चल कुछ भी नहीं है. It's not even hard.
Daddy, will they be able to come down?
So
Will they be able to come down?
people are coming down backwards. I don't know why, but maybe it's easier that way. But yeah, I do feel like we should do some. Face down.
Okay, so the next one.
तू लाइट चालू कर सकता है क्या?
Sorry.
तू लाइट चालू कर सकता है क्या?
Fine, why you guys?
I'm scared. I'm trapped. Daddy, I'm trapped.
Right, fine. Just relax, enjoy. This is an yes, relax.
We're almost. Daddy, I'm so far from you.
Hey, okay.
I think there is more. Give me where I need oxygen. We are going there.
Eunice, Eunice.
It smells really moldy. It smells really moldy, and this is what the inside looks like. It is pretty. See the walls? Now that I have some oxygen, I can think. We just climbed it all. There is more. This is it. Let's see inside. There is nothing, not even any inscription in it. It is empty.
That is a well known ये किसी में भी कुछ नहीं है
किसी में कुछ नहीं है, but there should be something like on the wall.
नहीं इस पीरियड वाले में कुछ नहीं मिला था
Oh really?
न्यू किंगडम में सब रहता है
Sorry. Is this air purifier? It is not working. It follows the principle that when people do like a lot of work to get something, and if that thing is so, they will still love it because we had done so much work.
Go back to the
We found this tunnel right in there.
I mean
It looks like a bit, it's turned at the end. It's going somewhere. It definitely have a purpose. Sorry. We found another tunnel. Like cleaning stuff. You think there is something else? Or just the two tunnels, right?
probably
What do you think?
probably ventilation का सोचा हुआ लोगों ने
That is an oxygen depletion joke. Never mind. Let's go.
Thanks, बाहर thanks.
This is granite, nice.
Everything is granite.
Even the coffin was granite. Brace yourself. Let's go. Hey, there is something there, up there.
तोड़ते हुए बड़ा पत्थर गिर गया
Sorry. Now we are gonna look at. Hey, यहाँ पर भी है. देख. Even that, there is something over there. It feels like they have like logged all the interesting points. Thoughts?
बहुत बड़ा है
I don't know, like I think like I'm not recording so many things. It's totally unintentional and probably due to asphyxia. Lol. Yeah, so we are going towards oxygen, that's what I'm saying. Let's look here, what we have here. Not sure. Let's turn it on. Please don't disappoint me. It's another cave.
Hello. There's a dead end, लेकिन आगे जाके.
I don't think so. I think there is a turn somewhere. Pretty much sure there is going to be a turn.
It's tunnel. They're blocked already.
You are literally not at all like worried about how tight the space is, how crowded it is.
I think मैं पता है क्योंकि अपने कंट्रोल में लेट रहा हूँ चीजें आगे वाली. मुझसे आगे वाला डिस्टेंस मेरे कंट्रोल में है.
Probably that's why.
जैसे मैं अभी आगे चले जाता हूँ 2 सेकंड होल्ड करूँगी मैं. सारी crowded खत्म हो जाएगा.
No, I'm not feeling crowded. I'm seeing everyone around me. I'm talking in that control group.
We're close? No, we're not. We're not.
You know, you can get so many good pictures from this video of you.
Imagine how hard this would be making this. That's a fun to see. This would be
Okay, we are going to our first place where we can stand properly and breathe. Now we can see what is this.
Now I think you can relate with the relief faces. जो यहाँ पे आ रहे थे लोगों के.
It is the tunnel which we saw everywhere.
Not the tunnel. There are so many tunnels.
One of the tunnels. We are back at the entrance. Now, yeah, we're just gonna go out and go to the Egyptian Museum and probably breathe. Do you think मम्मी पापा कर पाते ये?
पापा तो नहीं करते.
मम्मी?
Yes, पहले.
Sure. ए रुक. What is that? What do you think that is? सामने जो है? Okay, let's go and see. This is the Cairo, Giza. With our tour, and we can breathe now. Bye. We are done with the pyramid. Going there. Let's check out what it is. Let's go. Are you okay? Alright, let's look around. Pyramids. People are sleeping here. Symbols. Bhai, symbols. Something is written here. This closed. Oh, there are pictures here as well. There are pictures here. This is Western Cemetery. This is Western Cemetery. Nice. But it does have like pictures. There are people with something on in their hand. Someone is rowing. And if you go inside, it's also locked. But over here there are some pictures as well. Why it is not a part of the pyramid? It looks pretty. ऐसे अच्छा दिख रहा है ज़्यादा बाहर निकला नहीं है
एक पिरामिड ही दिख रहा है
तो कुछ भी और वो दिख रहा था
एक चीज़ का सैक्रिफाइस दी पिरामिड आई मीन दिस इज बेटर आई थिंक राइट
यहाँ इसके अंदर आपको हाँ स्विंग्स भी दिख रही है doesn't have the Great Pyramid though. Yeah, exactly. This is the voice which I was hearing in that tomb के अंदर टटी के.
I see the sun god rise on an anchor night. His first ray is on my face. It is there. 5,000 years I have seen all the sun within and come up in the sky. I saw the history of Egypt in its past love. As tomorrow I shall see the east burning like
तू रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है मैं बंद करूँ? नहीं I mean your phone has better इसको कुछ चल रहा है मेरा रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है
Protect me, oh great God, that I might see you every day.
But the name which has remained with me is that given to me by a great man, the father of history, Herodotus. He called me City, as if I were from his land. And that name is now mine. Close to the Nile, I watch over the plateau of Gizeh, over all its monuments, Buddhist or fantastic. They are
ये पॉज कर दो पता नहीं क्या है ये
like islands.
वो मत चला
This one, the Sphinx has gazed and watched for 5,000 years. For the subconscious of stone, everything becomes minute and insignificant. Man is an insect. Yet
I see four pyramids from here.
And the names of
The
pharaohs
Queen
whose
pyramids.
stars have crossed the ages. Their glory has defeated time. This is the tomb of Leon. Burial of the Pope in the city 4,500 years ago. Here is the great pyramid which he built to defend himself against
उसने करा होगा highlight अभी.
the building of the highest monument that has been known to man. The area is one of the last obstacles to Peter's Cathedral of Rome, the Cathedral of Solomon in Milan, resistance and ideas of force. 3 million officers
इधर से लाइट आ रही है इधर.
were assembled by kiosks based on one
Twice the options.
At the center of it, the pharaoh and his inner chamber, where his body was lying for a challenge. There were kept images of kings, images of knights. In these large wooden vessels, the dead pharaoh could continue his voyage after towards the death. But all that remains of him is a small ivory figure showing an open face. And the hieroglyphs representing the name he gave to his pyramid. Cheops dominates the horizon. The pyramid of Khafra. It too bears an inscription. Khafra is great. Yes, 100% for his father Cheops.
There's something over there.
His pyramid on a site is walls. Each side of the base measuring 710 feet. The angle being 52 degrees. It reaches a height of 445 feet. Brilliant concrete on the apex. They extended along all 4 sides, adding to the magnificence of the center. The face of Khafra has come down to us sculpted in green diorite streaked with white. A rare stone he brought back from the expedition. Here he is, close to us, in the guise of the Sphinx, carved in rock. Yes.
Third monumental tomb was soon to complete this immense beautiful site of Gizeh and make it one of the wonders of the world. Though smaller, the Pyramid of Mykonos is perhaps the most impressive for being the culminating point of a vast design. Having built it, the workmen climbed down from its granite planks and laying down their tools, looked up with wonderment.
Great and powerful was Memphis, the capital city in the plain which joined Upper and Lower Egypt.
Great and powerful were the pharaohs, who on this side of the Nile built for eternity.
ये अपन ने नहीं देखा.
The aim accomplished, the whole
अपन ने बहुत
dynasty
कुछ मिस कर दिया है ना. कैपिटल सिटी ऑफ मेम्फिस का कुछ है.
The pyramids still stand. And the inscription on the one that completed the design reads, "I is the Kerala."